Every idea starts small, with just a spark. But with momentum, it turns unstoppable. Test fast. Learn faster. That's how creators grow. Welcome to the Sandbox System, where your ideas go live.
You just saw the kind of energy creators are bringing into the Sandbox System. Now picture this, every challenge you face feels like a shark in the ring. But here, we don't run, we step up. When the hit comes, we don't crumble, we adapt. Quick step, sharper mind. That's how creators in the Sandbox turn chaos into opportunity. That's the Sandbox, where creators face the impossible and turn it into growth. Step in and start building yours.
You saw the fight. That's every creator's journey. Big challenges waiting to knock you out. But inside the Sandbox, you don't fight alone. The Sandbox System is your space to test ideas, launch fast, and actually build momentum. Here's how it works. First, you'll get the 7-day test project, a simple step-by-step way to see if any idea has potential, all in just 1 week. No more waiting around on plans unfinished. Second, you'll get the vault, stocked with templates and playbooks that cut the guesswork and save you time. Third, we run weekly calls and live sessions to keep you accountable, answer questions, and help you keep moving. And finally, the community. You'll be surrounded by creators just like you, everyone building, testing, and pushing forward together. This isn't another course you buy and forget. It's a system, and it's where your ideas go live. So if you're ready to stop waiting and start building, step into the Sandbox today.